Take my breath away. 32 counts, 2 walls, intermediate level, 1 tag. Weight on the left. Section 1. Side right with body roll, lead with right shoulder. Close and kick right. Cross shuffle. Side touch side with heels. Heel touch heel. Quarter weave, behind, quarter forward. Now facing 3. Count section 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2. 2 quick diagonal touches. Right diagonal touch, left diagonal touch. Big step on the right with drag. Close left or jump on left with flick. Forward. Left forward mumble. Back touch toe behind. Count section 2. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Section 3. 2 heel bounce, making quarter turn. Bounce, bounce. Finish with weight on the left, facing 12. 2 skate, skate right, skate left. Right kick, out, out. Swivel, heel, toe, heel. Now feet closed. Count section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4. Point right toe behind. Unwind half turn. Keep weight on the left. Right coaster step. Left step, lock step. Out, out with heels. Heel, heel, in, back together. And start again. Count section 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Tag, 16 counts, 2 walls. The first tag after wall 3, start facing 6. I'll show you here. Tag section 1, press right forward. Roll hip clockwise, recover together. Press left. Roll hip anti-clockwise, recover together. Forward, make a quarter sweep, facing 9. Extended weave, cross side, behind side, cross. Count tag section 1. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Tag section 2. 2 basic, side, back rock, side, back rock. Make a quarter forward, facing 12. Step, pivot half. Make another half turn, close left. That's the end of the tag. Count tag section 2. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Wall 2. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You then do the full wall 3. Finish here, 7 and 8 and first tag. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you will do wall 4, wall 5, 2 full walls. Finish at 12. Second tag, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. You will do the last wall, wall 6. Wall 6 finish at 12. You will then do 2 tag, front and back, and naturally finish at 12. End of the whole dance.